Welcome to your journey towards financial independence. Have you ever wondered how some individuals manage to grow their wealth over time? The secret often lies in the power of investing early. Today, we'll explore how investments can be a pivotal tool in securing your financial future. Imagine this. Those who start investing in their 20s are significantly more likely to accumulate wealth than those who delay. Financial independence isn't just about saving. It's about making your money work for you. By understanding the importance of investing, you'll open doors to opportunities that could transform your financial landscape. In this video, we'll guide you through the fundamentals of investing in the stock market, tailored specifically for beginners. Whether you're a young professional, a student, or simply new to investing, this is your starting point. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of investments and discover how you can harness their potential to achieve financial independence. Welcome to the world of investments, where your money has the potential to grow over time. But what exactly are investments? Simply put, they are assets or items acquired with the goal of generating income or appreciation. Investments come in various forms, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, each offering different opportunities and risks to meet diverse financial goals. Stocks represent ownership in a company and a claim on part of its assets and earnings. Bonds are essentially loans you give to corporations or governments in return for periodic interest payments, while mutual funds pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Understanding how investments work is crucial. They allow individuals to put their money into something that could yield returns over time, potentially increasing their wealth. As we explore further, we'll uncover how these different types of investments operate and what makes them unique. So whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone new to investing, this foundational knowledge sets the stage for building your financial future. Let's continue our journey into the stock market, where we'll demystify its processes and reveal how it can be a powerful tool for your financial empowerment. Welcome to the world of investing, where your financial future begins with understanding the stock market. At first glance, it may seem intimidating, but let's simplify it for you. The stock market is essentially a marketplace where shares of publicly held companies are bought and sold. Think of it as a bustling marketplace, but for financial securities. How does it all work? Companies list their stocks to raise capital, and investors buy these stocks hoping to make a profit. Prices fluctuate based on supply and demand, news, and overall market sentiment. Who are the key players here? We have individual investors like you looking to grow their wealth. Then there are institutional investors, such as mutual funds and pension funds, buying large quantities of stocks. And let's not forget the stock exchanges themselves, like the NYSE and NASDAQ, which facilitate these transactions. By demystifying these concepts, we aim to empower you with the knowledge to start your investment journey confidently. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the benefits of investing and how you can get started right away. Investing isn't just for the wealthy. It's a powerful tool for everyone to shape their financial future. Imagine the potential for wealth accumulation, where your money works for you, growing over time. Diversification of income sources is another key advantage, allowing you to spread risk and increase stability. By starting your investment journey, you're not just aiming for immediate returns, you're setting the foundation for long-term financial security. This isn't a privilege reserved for the elite. Anyone can begin with small steps, gradually learning and growing. Investing empowers you with choices and opportunities, whether you're saving for a major life goal or seeking financial independence. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. So why not begin now and explore the myriad benefits that investing has to offer? In our next segment, we'll address the other side of the coin, understanding and managing investment risks to ensure your journey is as smooth as possible. Investing can be both exciting and daunting, especially when considering the risks involved. At the heart of any financial endeavor lies an inherent uncertainty, market volatility. Prices can fluctuate wildly, influenced by countless factors. But fear not, understanding these risks is the first step towards navigating them wisely. To manage investment risks effectively, Begin with research. Dive into market trends, study company profiles, and analyze historical data. Due diligence is your shield against uncertainty. It's about knowing where you put your money and why. By being informed, you can make calculated decisions. Moreover, diversifying your investments can mitigate potential losses. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread them across different asset classes. Remember, investing isn't about eliminating risks, but managing them. With knowledge and strategic planning, you can turn potential pitfalls into opportunities for growth. Up next, we'll explore how to take your first steps as a beginner investor. From setting goals to choosing the right brokerage, we're here to guide you through the process of starting your investment journey with confidence. Stay tuned as we delve into practical strategies. To kickstart your path to financial empowerment, we'll explore practical strategies to help you succeed. Ready to start investing? Let's look at some easy steps to get you started on your journey. First, it's essential to set clear investment goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment, or simply looking to grow your wealth? Defining your objectives will guide your decisions and keep you focused. Next, you'll need to choose a brokerage account. This is where you'll buy and sell investments. Many platforms cater to beginners with user-friendly interfaces and educational resources. Take your time to compare fees and features to find one that suits your needs. Finally, start with small investments. You don't need a fortune to begin. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer diversification and reduce risk. As you gain confidence and knowledge, you can gradually increase your investment amounts. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race. By taking these initial steps, you're setting a strong foundation for your financial future. In the next segment, we'll explore how to build a balanced portfolio, ensuring stability and growth in your investments. Creating a balanced portfolio is the cornerstone of a successful investment strategy. By diversifying your investments, you can minimize risks and maximize potential returns. But how do you achieve this balance? Let's explore the essentials of diversification and asset allocation. Diversification involves spreading your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, to reduce exposure to any single market risk. Asset allocation, on the other hand, is the strategic distribution of your investments in line with your risk tolerance and financial goals. It's not just about picking different assets, but also about periodically reviewing and adjusting your portfolio. Regular reviews ensure that your investments remain aligned with your evolving financial objectives and market conditions. Remember, a well-balanced portfolio is not a one-time setup. It requires ongoing attention and adjustments to stay on track. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only safeguard your investments, but also set a solid foundation for future growth. Up next, we'll delve into the importance of monitoring and adjusting your investments to keep them aligned with your financial goals. Stay tuned as we continue to navigate the exciting journey of investing together. Investing is not a set-it-and-forget-it approach. It's a journey that requires regular attention to ensure your investments are aligned with your financial goals. Monitoring your portfolio's performance regularly helps you stay on track. By analyzing your investments, you can make informed decisions on whether adjustments are needed to respond to current market trends. Consider the balance between long-term and short-term strategies. Long-term investments can weather market fluctuations, while short-term strategies might require more frequent adjustments to optimize returns. Remember, the key to success is staying informed and agile. Regular reviews and adjustments aren't just about reacting to the market. They're about proactively managing your financial future. By making these practices a habit, you empower yourself to maximize your investment's potential, turning them into a powerful tool for achieving your financial dreams. In our next segment, we'll explore some common challenges new investors face and how you can overcome them with confidence. Stay tuned as we continue to navigate the exciting world of investing, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge and strategies you need to succeed. Every investor faces challenges, but fear not. These hurdles can be overcome with the right mindset and strategies. One common concern is the fear of market downturns. It's important to remember that markets fluctuate and downturns are often temporary. By staying focused on long-term goals and diversifying your portfolio, you can weather these storms. Another challenge is the lack of initial capital. Starting small is perfectly okay. Many investment platforms allow you to begin with minimal amounts, gradually building your portfolio over time. The key is to start somewhere and let compounding do its magic. Staying informed about market changes is crucial. Regularly updating your knowledge keeps you aware of trends and helps you make informed decisions. Use resources like financial news websites, podcasts, and investment forums to stay in the loop. Remember, challenges are a part of the investment journey, but with perseverance and the right approach, they can be transformed into stepping stones for success. So embrace these challenges, learn from them, and continue moving forward. In our next segment, we'll discuss how to take that first step towards your investment journey, empowering you to turn knowledge into action. You've journeyed through the essentials of investing, uncovering the mysteries of the stock market, and understanding the balance of risks and rewards. Now, as we conclude, it's time to transform knowledge into action. Remember, investing is not just a privilege for the wealthy. It's a pathway for everyone seeking financial security and growth. Empower yourself by setting clear investment goals and take that first step towards building a diverse portfolio. Whether you're starting with a small amount or diving deeper into financial strategies, each step brings you closer to securing your financial future. Don't be deterred by uncertainties or market fluctuations. With the right mindset and informed decisions, you can navigate these waters confidently. So why wait? Begin your investment journey today. Equip yourself with the tools and knowledge to make informed decisions and watch your future unfold with promise and potential. Thank you for watching, and remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Start yours now and take control of your financial destiny. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel